In this video, I want to show you how you can cancel recurring payments on PayPal. So all you have to do once you're logged into your PayPal account is click on your profile icon. Then you want to go to account settings. So when you click on that, it will bring you to the account settings page. Now under the account settings page, you want to be under the account and security. Then here you see account access, account preference. You are looking for payment preference. So just click on payment preference. Then here on payment preference page, just need to wait until it loads up. You can see right here I have this automatic payment with Perplexity, and all I have to do is click on manage automatic payments. Now here on the automatic payments page or auto pay page, so if let's say I had multiple automatic payments or recurring payments showing up here, they all would have been showing up. You just click on the one that you want to cancel. So in this case, I'll click on this one, and you can see right here it will show you the status. It is active, so meaning that if the day where I'm supposed to be billed comes, it will bill my PayPal account. Now since I want to cancel it, I'll just simply click on right here where it says cancel. So I'm clicking on cancel. Then here, cancel your future automatic payments to this. You just click on cancel automatic payments, and that is how you cancel recurring payments on PayPal. Thank you very much. If this video is helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you.